Let's see how you can easily build a simple chatbot automation to replace building landing pages and also increase conversions as well. So here, this is an example landing page we found online. So it actually provide a free lead magnet or free video to the customers. So here it says 90% done for you online system that makes regular people quit their 95, get out of debt and spend more time with their loved ones without needing to create your own products, website, run ads and personally sell anything. So here, if I tap on this button, yes, yawns, I want the free video. It simply asks me to provide the name and email address, and after that it will actually send me the free video as well. So here, instead of building these sort of landing pages, you can actually build a simple chatbot automation to deliver these sort of videos and send even follow-up messages as well. And since they are actually chatting or sending messages over there, the conversion will be higher as well. So here, let's see how to replace this sort of landing page with a simple chatbot automation. So here I have created the script as well. So here, this will be the welcome message. So hey, they are ready to discover the brand new miracle system, and here we simply ask them, would you like to receive it? So here, if they say yes, send me, and after that we simply ask them to provide the name, and after that we also ask them to provide the email as well. And here we can actually send them the video link within the chat, and also we can send them an email as well, because we also collect the email as well. And finally, you can also send follow-up messages as well. So let's see how to build this over here. So here I'm in a demo account with all these channels connected. So let me create a new flow, and let me name this particular flow as landing page chatbot automation. So click continue. So here we can actually build whatever the automation you want to send. So here the first thing is that we want to send this particular message to them with a button. So here let me copy this message and send message, add content. Here I want to send a text message. All right, and here if you want you can add spaces over here as you like. All right, and now we want to add a quick reply button, and which says yes, send me. So if they tap on this button, yes, send me, we want to proceed with asking for their name. So here when they tap yes, send me, we want to ask them for their name. So add content, get user data, and here we want to collect their name. So in this case, choose text, and here choose a full name or first name. You can do that as you wish, and here remove the skip button. All right, so here we want to add the message. So what is the message? We want to ask for their first name. So in this case, let me choose the first name over here, because we want to ask for the first name. All right, and here paste the message. All right, so when they provide the first name, we want to move to the next step, asking for their sending this message. So let me send this message first. So here add content text, send this message, and here you want to add the first name. So here if you want to add any sort of variables, type the curly bracket, choose first name. So that's it. And here we want to collect their email as well. So here, what is the best email to? So here in this case, let me add another message block right here. Add content, in this case get user data, and add the message to collect the email address, and choose email. Remove the skip button as well, so they need to enter the email to proceed. All right, so here we are actually collecting the email as well. So now if you want to send any sort of emails within the platform, you need to add an action right here saying email opt-in. So here that means you have the permission to send them the email. Actions, choose email over here and set email opt-in. So all right, so the email opt-in set as well. So now you can send them the message saying perfect, I have just sent you the video to email. So let me add that message right here. And here you can also deliver the same video link right here as well. And let me send this message, and here's your video right here, so you don't have to wait. So here let me add this message right here. All right, and here you can add a button and add the link to the video as well. So let me say watch the video, and here you can add any links or YouTube video links, you can do as that. So let me add chattingmedia.com. That's it. All right, so here you have the you can also add all these things as you wish as well. So let me add these things as well. So here let me add this message as well. All right, done. All right, so now we want to send the same video link to the email as well. So in this case, let me add the content, send email. So this is the email I want to send to them, and here you can add any sort of subject as you wish. So let me add this one: your miracle system video is ready. And let me add the subject, pre-header, everything as nice. And here you can add any sort of images as well. So here let me copy the video content right here, the whole thing. So let me copy all these information right here. All right, and paste it over here. So here if you want, you can actually add the video link right here. Otherwise you can also add any sort of buttons as well. So let me add a button, open the website, and you can add any links as you wish, the video link, and let me say watch the video. So that's it. And here if you want to add any sort of text, you can do that. So here let me add the signature down below. All right, so this is how the email gonna look like. So this is the email will be sent to them. And here if you want to add any sort of follow-up messages, you can do that. Add a wait delay block. So here just for the example, it will send a follow-up message in 1 hour. So here you can add the follow-up message right here. So this is the follow-up message we have. Hey, first name, did you get a chance to watch the video? What stood you out the most? So let me add that particular follow-up message right here. Add text paste. So that's a follow-up message will be sent in 1 hour. So here we have created this particular simple flow right here. So let me publish this one. And here if you want to test, you can preview this one right here and test as well. So we should receive this particular first message, and if I tap on yes send me, it should ask me to provide the first name, and likewise it goes right there. So here let's activate this particular chatbot flow on Instagram comments automation. So let me go to the marketing tools over here and choose Instagram comments automation and add one, and let me say LP chatbot, and here you can track on all post or specific post, and here private reply. So you have to select the flow which we just created, landing page chatbot automation, and public comment reply. You can add any sort of public comment replies as you wish as well. If you don't want to do that, you can choose none and reply to. So let me add the keyword. So only if they comment as video, then this particular automation will be triggered on all posts or reels as well, and even in the future post as well. So let me click save over here, and it is important to activate this one as well before you test. All right, so it's now active. So now if I share my phone screen and add a comment on any of these reels or post, it should trigger. So let me add the comment as video. So that was the keyword we set up. So let's see how this actually works. So here we receive the message, and it says, hey there, ready to discover this particular system and want access to the free video presentation. So let me say yes send me. So it should actually ask me to provide the name right here. So let me say Robert, and after that it will also ask me to provide the email address as well. So let me say chaticmedia@gmail.com. all right, so now it should send me the video right within the DMs, and also it should send me the video to the email as well. Perfect, I have just sent it to the email, and here they have this particular watch video link as well. So here now let's see if we actually receive any sort of emails as well. So here this is the email I just received. Your miracle system video is ready, and the exact email I set up, and here watch the video. So if I tap, it should actually take us directly to the video right there. If you go to the unified inbox, you can track all the conversation happened. So this is from the Instagram, and here they actually triggered from the comment automation, and here this is the conversation, and here you can find the email address right here as well. And from this unified inbox, and you can easily send any sort of messages as they like as well. For example, let me send this random message as to the unified inbox, and the customer will receive it as well. So let me share my Instagram over here, and this is the message I received. Simple as that. And that's a quick video on how you can easily build a simple chatbot automation replacing your landing pages. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.